Creating a successful tracker is much like laying the foundation for a building. It must be sturdy, dependable, and enduring. Here's the blueprint for crafting a robust tracker. Clarity is key. Start with a crystal clear understanding of your business objectives. Pinpoint the essential information that will gauge your progress. Stakeholder alignment. Always consider what your stakeholders need to know, the frequency of data updates, and the level of detail required. Balance is essential. It's easy to want to measure everything, but focus on what's truly important. Overloading your tracker can diminish its effectiveness. Consistency is crucial. Ensure your questionnaire remains consistent. Drastic changes can disrupt your ability to track trends over time. Modular questions can be included for topical insights, but the core of your tracker should remain steady. Uniformity in everything. Maintain consistency in your sample, the frequency of data collection, and the questionnaire itself. Quality over quantity. Craft each question to collect quality data that aligns with your goals. Changing them later could compromise your data's integrity. Think ahead and make it future-proof. A successful tracker anticipates the future. For example, you want to make it mobile-friendly for the increasing number of respondents on mobile devices. Keep it short and sweet. Brevity is important, especially as attention spans decrease. Concise surveys are key to maintaining high completion rates and ensuring quality data. Determining sample size per wave. Your survey goals will dictate how many people you should ask. If you're running surveys often, a smaller group might work. But for less frequent surveys, you might need a larger sample group. Selecting your target group. Your objectives will guide who makes up your target group. It's usually about who your brand, product, or service is for, or who's currently buying in your category. This way, you can track and understand trends within the group that's most relevant to your brand's health. Incorporating these elements into your tracker will ensure that it's not only effective today, but continues to serve your business needs well into the future.